Hello, how are you dears? I think all of you are very happy. Why? Because our first term social studies is somewhat over. Today onwards we are going to discuss about our second term textbook and workbook. I think all of you have that term 2 textbook and workbook. Term 2 textbook and term 2 workbook. Okay, and as usual we can start our class with a silent prayer, kids. Okay, so which is our first chapter from term 2 textbook? Discovering India, page number 1. We are considering this chapter as 6th chapter, not as 1st chapter. What's the name of the 6th chapter? Discovering India. From the last chapter and from the 4th chapter and all, we studied a lot about our continents, oceans and physical map, political map, then seasons and everything we know. And which is the deepest ocean and which is the largest one and which is the smallest continent and everything we discussed from there. So from this chapter we are going to discuss about our country. Which is our country? Yes, India. So that's why the heading of the chapter is Discovering India. Okay, and now as an introductory part from this chapter, they gave a brief discussion with Meher and his father, Mr. Irani. Meher, he prepared a greeting card for his friend and he asked his father to send this greeting card to his friend. But his father said, okay, your greeting card is good, but on that envelope you have to write the correct address. His name and the street name, house name, pin code, district, state, India and everything. District, state, country and everything he have to write. Meher have one doubt. Why? We all are lived in India. Only India we can write now? Is it correct? No. All the things we have to mention in the particular space which is allotted for address. Then only the postman can deliver that item to the correct person. Okay. Then now we are going to move to our page number 2. Page number 2, our Meher's address is given there. But Meher don't know how to write his address. That's why our Meher needs your help. 4 clues are given there. First clue, that his name we already know, Meher Irani. Meher, his name and his father's name is Irani. That's why Meher Irani. And other clues are flat number 56, Shivaji Housing Society, 708 Kav Road, Pune in Maharashtra in India. These are the 4 clues given for us. So we have to help. Our Meher is waiting for us for writing his address. Kids, this is your chapter heading, Discovering India. Discovering India. Take your notebook and write down the heading there. And now we are going to check about our Meher's address. How can we write? Don't write this one on your notebook. Meher Irani. And next one. Yes, next one. Flat number 56, Shivaji Housing Society. Flat number 56, Shivaji Housing Society. And the next one, 708 Kav Road. 708 Carve Road, Pune. This district is in Pune. Then one more thing, we have to write the pin code of Carve Road in Pune. Pin code 4115052. That's a pin code of this particular place, Carve Road in Pune. It's a pin code. And which is the state? Yes, Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Country, India. So this is the full address of our Meher Irani. Okay, now you can start writing on your notebook. What you have to write? Yes, you have to write your own address. You have to write your own address. One box, and in that box you can write your address like this. First your name, my name. Then your street name or flat number or your housing society, whatever may be, I don't know. My house name is, yes, Sunny Villa. That's why Miss wrote like this. Then your road name. Here they gave Carve Road. Your maybe Gandhi Road or something is there. Then next, which one? Yes, post office, PO. Which is your post office? PO. Then next, Calicut and a pin code. Calicut and a pin code. Then below, Kerala, India. Okay, so these are all things you have to write. No need to write my address. You can write your own address. You can ask to your parents. They know very well about your full address. But you have to mention your name. And this one we will discuss from our live class. No need to submit. Just below the heading of the chapter, draw one box, and on that box you have to write your full address with post office, pin code, state and country. Okay, and here you look, our Meher is in Maharashtra. Our address we can write in Kerala. That means India is divided into different states. Which is our state? Yes, Kerala. See, from this chapter, Miss is going to give some questions, but Miss won't give the answers. You have to write both question and answer on your notebook. Live class, we will discuss these all questions. We are not discussing. Miss will give an opportunity to conduct a quiz competition. Not like last week. This is another type. You are the teacher and you are the students also. You have the right to ask question and you have the right to say answer, and you have the right to record the marks and everything. Miss will be stand there for controlling everything. Next live class, you all are the teachers and students. Okay, so that you have to be ready with all these questions and answers. But Miss will select the question which you have to ask to others. And before that, you have to say the answer. Okay, we can just check from our live class. Whatever may be, you have to be ready with all these question answers. Miss will give questions, you have to find answers. And record all that answers on your social notebook itself. Okay. Now we can start the questions. Questions are, First one, which one you have to do? Yes, your full address. That also Miss will ask. And first question, name of our country. First question, name of our country. You can write answer also, the question and answer both. Otherwise, if you are writing answers only means maybe confusion will be there. For avoiding that inconvenience, you have to write the question and answer. Okay, name of our country. Second one, number of states. Total number of states in our country. The total number of, we can write total numbers. Total numbers of states. Total numbers of union territories. Territories. Total number of union territories. Then next one, fourth one, national flower. Fifth one, national animal. And the sixth one, India's largest state. That's better. We can write here India's. Why Mrs. not given? Here one question is the name of our country, that you already know. Okay, India's largest state. And seventh one, smallest state. Questions are not over. Name of our country, total numbers of states in our country, total numbers of union territories, national flower, national animal, India's largest state, smallest state. Okay, and the eighth question, largest union territory. And ninth one, smallest union territory. Okay, largest union territory, smallest union territory. Then 10th one, a prime minister, present prime minister, present prime minister. 11th one, present president. Present prime minister, present president. Okay. Then these all details you have to be collected on behalf of our country. Now we are going to check about our state. This is our state. Yeah, okay. Kerala is our state. Okay. So from about India's how many questions? 11 questions. Questions are here. Answers you have to write. Miss won't give the answers. Okay. And the first question from Kerala side, you can start like this. Name of our state. Present, capital of Kerala. Capital of our state. Present, Chief Minister. Fourth, present, Governor. Fifth, total number of districts. Total number of districts. Okay. Then these are the questions these are the answers you have to find on behalf of our state. Name of our state, capital of the state, present chief minister, present governor, total number of districts. Now we are going to check some details about our district. Okay? About our district, the name of our district. First question from our district side, name of our district. Second, present district. Collector. Third, who is their MP? MP, full form of MP, Member of Parliament. So these all things you have to find. And next live class, Miss will be there, but you are the teachers and you are the students. You will ask the question and you will check the answers and scores also you will give. Okay? So be ready with all these answers. No need to submit. Don't consider these are your homework. Miss will give another homework question for you. Okay? Now, we can check about the climate of India. The climate of India can be divided into 5. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. We can check the summer season is experiences in which month? Monsoon in which month? Autumn in which month? Okay. Summer season that we know, summer season experiences in which month? Summer holidays or school vacations. Summer holidays from April to May. April to May. And next one is monsoon season. That all you know very well. Monsoon, we can call it as rainy season also. Rainy season. Which are the months? Yes, school reopening time. June to September. And what's the difference between summer and monsoon season? Summer season means very hot. And monsoon season, cold season, heavy rain. And here heavy sunlight. Okay, next one is autumn. Autumn season. Autumn season. And I think we studied these all seasons from our 4th chapter. Or 3rd chapter, isn't it? Yes. Autumn season. Almost all the leaves falls down. Okay. In India, autumn season experiences in between October to November. October to November. Next one is about our winter season, cold season, winter season. That we know very well. During December, January month morning, so cold, and in some areas snowfall also there. And last few years, most of the news channels reported the -°C in Delhi, Mumbai and all. Okay, so winter season. Next one is about our winter season. Winter season in between December to January. Sorry, December to March. December to March. The last one is the season. That is also known as a season, king of season. And the nature is full of fragrance and colors. Can you give the name of that season? Yes, that is spring season. Spring season. Then in India, a very few places only experiences that spring season. For example, in Kerala, Tekadi. In Himachal, and in Tamil Nadu, Kurnool, Uti, and Kulu Manali. Like that, some areas only experiences this spring season. And spring season is the season between summer and winter. Summer and winter. So these are the 5 seasons in India. Summer seasons, monsoon or rainy season, autumn season, winter season and spring season. Okay. So now your homework question is the page number 2 from your workbook. No need to write, no need to copy this one. You can just mark the alphabets here. For example, first one you know very well. First one is summer season. So which is the answer? Summer season, April to May. So you can write here D, letter D. And the next one is winter season. Winter season, you know, winter season, December to March. So you have to write here, which one? C. Next, monsoon or rainy season. Here have monsoon or rainy season, June to September. So here which one? B. And 11th one is autumn season. Autumn season, October to November. Which one? A. Took a photo and submit as your homework. See kids, this is the one and only homework for you. Other all the question answers we will discuss from the live class. No need to submit. Okay, once again about your homework question. No need to rewrite these all. You can write only alphabets. For example, 8th one summer season, and one box is here. One box is there. You have to write April to May. Correct answer, summer season in India. Summer season experiences in April to May month. So you have to write here D. Got it? And the 9th one, winter. One box is there. 10th, monsoon. 11th, autumn. Okay, only you have to write the alphabets in the boxes and you can submit. Okay kids, so that's the one and only homework for you, and be ready. Next live class is a entirely different live class. You are the teachers, you are the students. You have the right to ask questions, you have the right to say answers, and you have the right to record the marks. Miss will be there. Okay kids, thank you and be ready.